George III is asking for taxes on our favorite drink, tea.
Why do we have to pay taxes to that old and proud England, which is thousands of miles away?
That's redonkulous.
We need to do something about this.
England has never done anything for us before, and now they want to take our money?
That thing is taxed.
No more taxes.
Yeah!
Sugar is taxed and newspapers are taxed.
If we allow more taxes, they will take all of our money without giving us anything in return.
I can't afford to pay that ridiculous amount of taxes. Me neither. I have a family to support.
Not fair.
We need to take action.
I think it's best that the ships go back to Britain with their tea.
And it's not about the money, it's the fact that the distant country is trying to control our colonies. We are free men.
The tea on British ships must not land on American soil because if it does, a tax would be due upon it. We must destroy the tea.
Not go.
Start another song.
We are the Sons of Liberty. Tonight the Boston Harbor will be an enormous teapot. Throw all the tea boxes into the sea. Yeah. Fun.
I hate this tea. Don't leave any box aboard this ship. Britain must know that we are against them.
Let's hurry up.
Just as serious, remember we are not to damage anything else.
Come on, we're almost finished.
The redcoats are here. Stop it. On behalf of the king, you are under arrest.
We will not obey those laws. We live in a free country.
Let's abandon the ships. Our mission is accomplished. All the tea is in the water.
Oh!